Hello and welcome. This is Mike Stratta, the CEO of Arcalea, and I'd like to introduce you to our agency partnership program. But first, Galileo is a multi-touch analytics platform that uses cookieless first-party data and AI to track all marketing contribution to revenue. A couple of things I wanted to provide right off the bat are the benefits to you as an agency. First, we provide new agency MRR. Second, we provide clear agency differentiation. No one else has this technology. One of the most powerful differences is that it increases return an average of 37% across all channels, not just paid media. It increases trust, transparency, and value to all participants, the collaborators, you, your stakeholders, us. Everyone gets to understand what's exactly working and what's not working in their marketing umbrellas, and you get to act on it. So it makes you guys the heroes. And then ultimately what this all leads up to is an increased lifetime value for you because of the stickiness of your solution. Nobody wants to go to another agency that doesn't know what's happening anymore. Once you've seen this, it's like fire, we say. Like once you've seen it, you've had it, you can't ever go away from it. And so this provides that for you, lifetime value, and then also provides stickiness in the form of new service lines. You get to say, well, that's not working. Let's stop that. Let's go towards what is working. And so I put the cart before the horse. The product is Galileo. It's an AI-based attribution modeling and analytics platform. We solve the marketer's dilemma, which is we don't know what works in market and we don't know what to do next. It does so through a first-party attribution analytics platform. As I just mentioned, it uses AI and machine learning. It was developed while I was at Kellogg School of Management and also in the data science program there. And then the opportunity for us today is for us to introduce ourselves as a potential partner to you. Our entire growth strategy is based on partnerships. So we really don't service direct, and we certainly would never compete with any of our partners. We want to be your secret weapon in the market, so to speak. And so this is an opportunity for us to establish that for many years to come, hopefully. So what I want to do is just kind of go through, as you've probably been to the website, you can see all about the platform here. On the back end, what you'll see is along the left-hand side, just what works, single touch attribution, your multi-touch attributions over here. You'll be able to start to dig in deep and say, well, okay, as a percentage of total, Google Ads is providing traffic, but what happens when we jump in and we just want to see not traffic, but perhaps what we want to see is leads, right? Or what is directly related to revenue. So I can go and turn these on and off here. I can look at campaign or source, et cetera. And then you can even drill down to the user level and see data there. But I want to keep in the aggregate for now and say, all right, what works? Google Ads, Facebook, organic, et cetera. You can look at advertising creative by name, creative ID. We can understand the customer journeys, what happens in these unique page paths or web page contributions. And then what opportunities or lead statuses are in between the goalposts right now, so to speak. Where is our biggest opportunity from a lead status perspective? We can see our statuses here. And then geography. You can get down even to the state level if you want to jump in and understand what ads are working in Texas and what counties in Texas are working the best. And so that's just the first dashboard. We've got so many other dashes to share. We've got the left, right, traffic, leads, revenue. You can look at it as an aggregate across from left to right. So here's our traffic, here's our leads, here's our revenue. And you can do the same thing across all those dimensions that I just shared with you. You can run custom reports. We can do it by date. You can choose a date, this period, last month, et cetera. We can filter. So we just wanted to give you kind of a heads up, and all this cool stuff is coming. There's also an opportunity to look at the advanced analytics behind the scenes, which is predictive revenue modeling, and understand if we did this, what would happen to the outcomes. As you can see here, there's a range of economic outcomes between losing 700 grand or gaining 4.5 million. You can decide those just by clicking on these interactions here. ROAS, cost per acquisition, spend in economic terms. And then, of course, you've got your revenue modeling, attribution modeling, first touch, last touch, blended. And we actually advocate for jumping in and running through return on investment equations with your customers. So there's a lot here. I'd love to walk you through it. I'd love to walk you through how we support you. As you can see, we get access to our decks. You can white label and sell this product as your own. So you'll be able to tweak this up and say, hey, we're an authorized distributor and certified partner for Galileo. Love to schedule time to meet with you and your team. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do. As we say at ARC, success is now a science.